Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today is day number 7 of my journey through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Before we jump into day number 7, let's do a little bit of a recap. Now just remember, we are doing baby steps and our goal is to create routines. So far we have a morning routine and an evening routine. The only thing that we currently have on our morning routine is to get dressed to shoes every day as soon as we get up. Alright, so for our evening routine, we have shine our sink every night. That way our kitchen is nice and clean when we get up in the morning. The second thing that we have on our evening routine, we added this yesterday, and that is the 2-minute hotspot. That is any place that you have a place in your home that continues to gather clutter, it just kind of piles up. You're going to take 2 minutes every day and you're going to put that fire out. You're going to put the hotspot out, clean it up. So you're just going to take 2 minutes and you're going to do what you can. You may not be able to finish it, but as you go and as your routines continue to build, you'll get to where your piles are less and less, your hotspots have less things, and they're not as hard to clean up. All right, so evening routine, shine your sink, put out a hotspot. Today we are going to add a third thing to our evening routine, and that is to lay our clothes out so that our clothes are ready tonight before we go to bed. That way when we get up in the morning to get dressed to shoes, everything is ready. Alright, so last night I did shine my sink before I went to bed. I actually really put off cleaning the kitchen last night. Yesterday was a weird day and the evening was kind of weird. And I ended up sitting down with my family for a few minutes because our schedule was just kind of weird. And it made it hard to clean up the kitchen, but I did it and I'm so thankful that I did, because had I not, this morning it would have been kind of rough. I did get up and get dressed to shoes this morning, as you can see, and then I'll go ahead and insert a picture here for my hotspot today. I don't know if you remember what I did yesterday, but I cleared off my laundry room counter. I didn't get to fold the cleaning rags that were in the basket, so I took 2 minutes. I folded those rags. My son, he will put them away when he gets home this afternoon because they're actually his and they go in the garage. So he will take care of that, but they're ready for him. And then I also had a few clean clothes hanging up in my laundry room. So I went ahead and just grabbed those, put them away real quick. Took me 2 minutes and that space is much better now. And then I will show you a picture right here where I also did lay out my clothes for tomorrow. I just laid out a pair of gym shorts, a t-shirt, and then my tennis shoes because Saturdays are really low key around here and I want to be in something really comfy because it is still really hot where I live. Like, it's still 100 degrees to here. So anyway, but I went ahead and laid them out so when I get up in the morning they will be ready. All right guys, thanks so much. I hope you are enjoying this series. Let me know down below, what is the thing that you're most excited about so far? Is there anything that has been easier than you thought it would be? Is there something that is still kind of hard? Let me know down below. Let's talk about it. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below and then check the bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.